الله أكبر الله أكبر.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله إن الحمد لله نحمده ونسلم على رسول الله الكريم. أما بعد, السلام عليكم warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How do Muslim relate to non-Muslim? First, observe the cardinal role of tolerance. Allah said in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakari wa untha waja'alnakum shu'uba wa qabaila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum innallaha alimun khabir. Sadaqallahul azim. Second, invite with wisdom and with beautiful preaching. Third, highlight commonalities rather than differences. And fourth, promote mutual respect and tolerance. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. And let us pray. Ya Allah, give us courage for our mission to bring peace to people's mind, to reduce tensions and to overcome divisions that hamper our desires to attain growth and prosperity for our nation. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Amin. Wa ba'd. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.